Here's the Wenger SwissBuck Taskmate 2. Collaboration between Buck Knives of America and Wenger Swiss Army of Switzerland. It's entirely made in Switzerland. It has black plastic handles with a ribbed grip on each side, as well as a buck sticker. It's the only thing that you'll see that's buck on it. The main blade is a clip point blade, which is more common here in North America. It has a secondary clip blade as well. It has the normal Swiss Army tools, Swiss Army knife type tools, which would be including a cap lifter, screwdriver tip, and then the Wenger can opener. It's got a very sharp cutting edge and a very sharp point. Some people like these better than the Victorinox can opener. The normal awl on the Wenger is not sharpened on any edge, so it's not really a reamer, but it has a very sharp pointed awl. This knife here happens to have a Phillips screwdriver as a secondary tool on the bottom, and that's instead of the corkscrew. Normally you might find a corkscrew there. The two main tools on this include the pliers, which the Wenger pliers are kind of unusual. They're a little bit different. First of all, the spring, the return spring for the pliers, runs off the internal spring of the knife itself. So when you operate it, it flexes the knife spring here and causes it to return. This pliers includes two wire cutters, a jaw mounted, and then a hole for hard wire. Here, this dimple is considered a crimper, and probably the best thing about these pliers is it's a slip joint style, so you can open it up and grab much larger items. The other tool on this knife on the inside is the scissors, the Wenger scissors, which have the serrated edges right here on each side. Makes for an easy cut on large items, especially something that tends to want to slip out as you grab it, as you try to cut it. The spring on these is just like on the pliers. It operates off the back spring of the knife here. As you flex it, as you operate it, it flexes the spring. Once again, there's two theories here. People really like the Wenger knives because they're serrated and they'll cut tough items, and then some people do not like them because it's serrated and it leaves a jagged edge, versus the Victorinox, which is a smooth edge scissors. Toothpick and tweezers, I'll finalize that, as well as a long chain on a keyring on a long chain. And that's the SwissBuck Taskmate 2.